Hello everyone. So let's look at Swiggy's IPO. So the IPO size of Swiggy is of around 11,300 crores. The price band is of 371 to 390 per share, and the subscription date is from 6th to 8th November. Now, if we look at the IPO from the biggest IPO's perspective, then this is the sixth biggest IPO that is coming into Indian market. And if we compare it with the last month's IPO of Hyundai, which was of 27,000 crore, this is ranking at sixth number. So this is a fairly big IPO that is being set out. Now let's go deep into the different aspects of Swiggy's working and everything. So one thing about the average order value. So when we look at Swiggy's average order value, it's at around 487 rupees, whereas Zomato is of 480. So it's almost similar order value that we are looking at over here. And the growth rate in the order value is around 20% since last 2 years. So why we are comparing this with Zomato is we obviously know that Zomato is the competitor of Swiggy. So we have to see how the competitor is doing. And since it is already listed, so it's a good reference point for us to look at Zomato's valuations and think about Swiggy's valuation from Zomato's valuation perspective. If we look at Swiggy's market cap, it's of 87,300 crore. And if we look at Zomato's market cap, it's of 2 lakh 24,000 crore. So Swiggy is coming at a very low market cap valuation compared to Zomato. And the market value to sales ratio is of 5.6, whereas Zomato's present market value to sales ratio is 11.1. So just looking at this ratio, we are saying that, oh, Swiggy's ratios are looking good. But there are other points also to this. We'll cover in next slides. Now, another point is of the price to book value. So Zomato's price to book value at current valuation is of 10.5, whereas Swiggy's is of 11.6. So over here, Zomato is doing good. Now, if we look at how uh, the revenue of Swiggy is, then we can see the reason why we are seeing such low valuations are about the profit after tax. So it's in negative of around 2,300 crores. And if we look at the surplus, that's also in negative of around 8,000 crores. So, and the revenue is of also 11,600 compared to Zomato. This is at a lower value. So these factors are affecting the overall valuation of Swiggy. Now, one another important point is of the gray market price that we can see of Swiggy. So it is expected that it might happen or it might not happen, but it is expected that if it is listed, then it might list at 3% premium. So this gives a good reference. Should we go into this IPO or not? And uh, these are few pointers that we can consider while investing in Swiggy's IPO. So request you to do your own due diligence before investing. This was from the IPO perspective that I thought I should share this video. Also, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.